Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Magog, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking for a dependable and cheap Magog moving company, 3 Movers is the right option. We offer local and long-distance moving services to make it easier to help you get to your next location and stage in your life. You can enjoy plenty of options when it comes to a long-distance move, including packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Relocating across the country or just one city over can be overwhelming fast. Our team of movers will help you get the right options to make your move easier. Whether you're going 100 miles or 2,000 miles, we have just what you need. With the help of a Canada moving company, you get the right team to help make your local move easier. We can take the heavy lifting away from you and save you from getting injured or having damaged items during your move. 3 Movers offers the right options for your specific needs. Our team will save you time and energy on any type of local move. With us, you get the peace of mind you need. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Magog moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.